Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of percents. Let's solve this question together. In May, a flower shop sold 50% more roses than the tulips. If the shop sold 400 roses that month, how many tulips did they sell? So we're talking about here. There is we have to make an equation. We have to create an equation to solve this question. So, and let's talk about the number of roses sold. I would like to call the letter R for it as a variable. And for the number of tulips sold, I like to call it the letter T for it. And we will set up the equation. So which one is sold more? 50% more than the tulips means that rose is the more, right? So rose is equals to number of T plus 50% of something. 50% of something. 50 over 100, isn't it? If you will just simplify this, if you can write this as a decimal, 5 over 10, which is 0.5. So 0.5 T. Okay, we have T in here plus 0.5 T. And then R is technically equals to 1.5 T. And the R, which is number of roses sold, is already given us as 450. I would like to continue different color for the rest of the solution. 450 is equals to 1.5 T. To get the T by itself, excuse me, we will divide both sides by 1.5. In digital SAT, you are allowed to use your calculators. You can use your calculator to solve any questions. And so you can use your calculator to solve this question as well. 450, when you divide by 1.5, that is going to give you 300, which is tulips sold. So I'd like to talk about, so the correct answer for this question is choice A. I'd like to talk about the importance of the playlist section in our channel. I strongly suggest you to go and check the playlist if you want to excel in this topic, which is percent. You will find really similar questions to this one, and also SAT similar questions. Specifically, we just created for you. I strongly suggest you to just pause the video, give it a try to solve it on your own. Afterwards, you can check for your answer. This is the way you can excel in digital SAT math. Hopefully, you will score 800 in this section. So, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.